So, mix here, and we got a pizza directly from China, and yeah, of course it's not actually a pizza, but it's my PCBs, yay! Let's do some unboxing. Wow, there's a lot of stuff. So I ordered like 47 different components and 5 PCBs. So let's start from the PCBs. Ooh. Panels. Yay. Then we got the MIDI USB breakouts. Focus. Cell phone, focus. Yeah. Then these are the displays, I suppose. Let's see. Yeah, they're the displays. Wow, that's a lot of PCBs. No, it's only 10. Nice and simple. Then these are the main boards. And the control boards. Let's open them. Let's open them. One. Two. Focus, cell phone. Come on. Looking good, looking good. The silk screen is not exactly perfect, but yeah, whatever. The logo looks alright. Come on. Yeah. This is pretty tight. As you can see, there's a lot of components here. A lot. But not on the back. Back is plain. Well, apart from the traces. And let's see the panel. Let's see the panel. Unfortunately, I don't yet have the order from Thonk, the UK supplier for seat components and seat parts. So I can't yet test fit the panel with the jacks and the potentiometers. But whatever. Okay. Ta-da! So I don't know why there's no marks on the CV offset controls. I'm sure that the Gerber's file I sent had them, but whatever, it's a prototype, it's gonna be alright anyway. And looks neat. It looks neat. Nice. The back is just plain old copper. So last boards. These are pretty straightforward. I mean, it's just USB, MIDI, and tube resistors. Yeah, tube resistors. Yeah. Oh yeah, a couple of connectors. Nothing fancy. And then there's this. I'm not kidding. This is like almost 2,000 components. 2,000 components, guys. We get a lot of trimmers and a lot of breakouts. And ooh, we can test the encoders. Let's test fit them right now. And yeah, the hole for the encoders is alright. And this should actually also fit, yeah, it fits the 6mm hole for the pots. Nice. Then blah blah blah. Oh, let's test the LEDs. I was a little bit unsure about the hole size for the LEDs because I found some. I mean, these are 3mm holes, and I made a 3.1. Yeah, it fits. Cell phone, please focus. I said focus. Come on. Yeah, it fits right away. Nice. The only thing left is the jacks, but I don't have them, so we can't test them. Well, let's see. I'm hopeful that everything is here, and we got the other Mauser order. Where did I leave it? Oh, it's in the other room. Whatever. So time to work. Bye.